Class 10th, exercise 12.3. It is now today question number 13. Question number 13 is, in figure 12.31, figure is given on your book. A square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi 3.14. First of all, we have a quadrant of circle. This is the quadrant of circle. This is quadrant of circle. In a quadrant of circle, the angle is always 90 degree. A square is inscribed in it. ये एक स्क्वायर इसमें इंस्क्राइब हुआ है. OABC, it is a square. OPBQ, this is a quadrant. OA is equal to 20. It means side of the square is 20 and this portion is shaded. We have to find the area of the shaded region. शेडेड रीजन का एरिया निकालने के लिए हमें लेना है एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रेंट माइनस एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रेंट फॉर्म्स अ सेक्टर, तो इसका एरिया निकालेंगे. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज पॉसिबल इफ वी नो रेडियस ऑफ द सेक्टर. तो रेडियस ऑफ सेक्टर निकालने के लिए हमने क्या करना है, वी हैव टू जॉइन OB. OB इज द रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल, क्योंकि ये सेंटर है एंड B लाइज ऑन द आर्क, on the circumference of the circle. So this is the radius. अगर OABC एक स्क्वायर है जिसका साइड 20 है तो ये साइड भी 20 होगा एंड OB will act as diagonal of the square. Is it clear? तो मैं यहां पर सॉल्यूशन में सबसे पहले लिखूंगा, we have side of square is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, area of square is equal to side square, that is 20 square, and it is 400 square centimeters. ये हो गया एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. अब हमें निकालना है एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ द सर्कल या सेक्टर. एज OB is the diagonal of square, therefore OB is equal to a root 2, where a is the side. Diagonal of square is always equal to a root 2, where a is the side is 20, so the diagonal is 20 root 2, which is equal to radius of sector, therefore area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is theta? Theta is 90 degree. You know that this is a square angle of square which will act as a theta upon 360 into 3.14 into r square, 20 root 2 square. 0 will cancel with 0, 9 1s are, 9 4s are. So it is 3.1 into 3.14, that is 3.14 divided by 4, which is equal to 3.14 divided by 4 into 20 root 2 whole square. That is 3.14 divided by 4 into 20 square, that is 400, into root 2 square is 2. It is 3.14 divided by 4 into 800. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 0 and 0. This is 0 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Decimal go after 2 digits, which is equal to 628 square centimeters. This is the area of sector. Therefore, area of shaded region area of shaded region is equal to area of sector minus area of square. Area of sector is 628, area of square is 400, that is 228 square centimeters is the area of shaded region. Now see question number 14. Question number 14 is AB and CD respectively are two arcs of concentric circles. We have two concentric circles with radii 21 and 7. इस तरह फिगर बनी है. This is one arc. Its radius is 21 centimeter. This is another arc and its radius is 7 centimeter. This angle is 30 degree. This portion is shaded. We have to find the area of shaded portion. तो ये दोनों जो आर्क्स हैं इस फिगर में अगर आप देखेंगे ये दोनों बनाते हैं, ये है ओ ए बी बड़ा सेक्टर, ओ सी डी छोटा सेक्टर. एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द लार्जर सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉलर सेक्टर. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर की फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. लार्जर में रेडियस 21 है और स्मॉलर में रेडियस 7 है. तो हम यहां पर लिखेंगे एरिया ऑफ लार्जर सेक्टर is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is theta, it is 30, 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square is 21 into 21. 0 and 0. 3 1s are 3 12s are. 2 6s are 2 11s are. Okay, 7 1s are 7 3s are. 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is 11 into 21 divided by 2. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, तो आगे 23 upon 2 square centimeter. This is the area of larger sector. Now area of smaller sector. Now area of smaller sector, that is again theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square is 7 into 7. 0 will cancel with 0. 3 1s are 3 12s are. 2 6s are 12. 2 11s are 7 1s are 7 1s are 11 7s are 77 upon 6 square centimeters. This is the area of smaller sector. Therefore, area of shaded region, it is equal to area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. लार्जर सेक्टर एरिया हमने यहां पर फाइंड किया हुआ है 231 upon 2, 231 upon 2 minus 77 upon 6. 6 is the common denominator. LCM is this one. Go into 3 square and yorte, into 3 square and yorte. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 minus 77. 3 7 6, 8 7 8, 6 6 divided by 6. 2 से दोनों को होगा 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, that is 308 upon 3 square centimeter. This is the area of shaded region. This was question number 14.